So this is it. This is the OnePlus 9, and we now have a look at the final design of the phone from all the angles. These live images of the phone were shared by a source with PhoneArena, and not only the images of the phone, but some screenshots were also shared that reveal the major specifications of the device. So speaking of the design first, the OnePlus 9 has a flat screen on the front, unlike the OnePlus 8 that had a curved screen. So it looks like after experimenting with the curved display for both the vanilla and the Pro versions, OnePlus is now going back to the flat screen for the vanilla model. The selfie camera is placed on the top left corner of the display, so the location of the hole punch has not changed. Flipping the phone over, we see a rectangular camera module that has the triple camera setup. There are two big camera lenses along with one smaller sensor. We can also see the Ultrashort text on the camera module, but what does it mean is something we don't know yet. Also, don't get confused by that logo on the back, because this is the logo that OnePlus uses on its prototype devices. So that's the design of the OnePlus 9. Now speaking of the specifications, the phone has a 6.55-inch AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. There is the Snapdragon 888 SoC along with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage. The screenshots show that there is a 4-megapixel selfie camera and a 12-megapixel main camera on the rear, but these are the megapixel counts after pixel binning. This means there is a 16-megapixel selfie camera and a 48-megapixel main camera on the rear. Also, as we know from the earlier leaks, there is not one but two 48-megapixel cameras on the back, where the second camera is for taking ultra-wide shots. The OnePlus 9 runs on Oxygen OS 11 out of the box, which is based on Android 11. As per some sources, the phone also comes with wireless charging, which means this time it is not limited to the Pro model only. Just like the OnePlus 8T, the OnePlus 9 is expected to feature 65-watt fast charging as well. So yeah, that was all about the OnePlus 9, and after this leak, the only thing that we don't know is the pricing. What do you think of the OnePlus 9's design and the specifications? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.